Well, changed my mind. I had a nice dinner with a chicken steak and a salad, and it rained again, then it stopped again, so now it's very clear. Check it out. This is peak Vihren, the highest peak of the mountain and the second highest in Bulgaria, 2914. But now I decided to go for a very short walk nearby to that lake Okoto that was on the way to the hut, but I didn't stop because I was dog tired and very hungry. So let's go and check it out. It's literally over there up the hill. So let's go and check it out. Now here the red mark goes down and you gotta take the detour for the lake Okoto. So as you saw, this section is a bit rocky, so that's why I took the yellow mark on the other side of the river when going to the hut in the afternoon. I wanted to do it fast. Lake Okoto, once again translated, means Lake the Eye, because it has like the shape of an eye, so they decided to name it. And it's a very nice, like charming little thing. Wow, it's crystal clear. It's very beautiful. Here on the GPS I have like a few meters up. I guess it's a viewpoint towards the lake and Peak Vihren. Let's check it out. So this is wet. No. Viewpoint or not, I don't care. I'm not gonna break my head here. Let's take a photo from up here. Okay, that's the viewpoint. Okay, let's go back to the hut. We can check out over there. Path around the lake. Oh, mosquitoes are like killing me, so let's just get out of here. Let's take the yellow mark again down. I don't need to go, but nah, let's finish the circle route. altogether from the hut to the lake and back to the hut is exactly 51 minutes for a kilometer and 7 of a distance with 120 vertical meters of a climb and down climb. And right on time starts to rain again. Crazy weather these days. Okay.